Testing, mic check. All right, peace and love, guys. Let's go ahead and talk about the Air Jordan 3 Fear. Now, first of all, the shoe makes me really, really happy because nobody bought it. Like, I think right now it's still in the sneakers app, maybe $200, $190, and I almost bought them. But something was like, you know what? Don't do it just yet. Because I thought they were actually going to sell out, and they didn't sell out. I was shocked. Like, look how beautiful this shoe is. Like, I love everything about this shoe, like everything, and it didn't sell out. So VJ was like, you know what, Colo, don't get a pair yet. Just wait. And I was like, all right. So they sent these through, and I definitely, I wasn't surprised. Like, the quality of the shoe is so good. I'm not talking about UA or retail. Like, the shoe is so good. The only thing I think is different, maybe there's like a gradient. Let me find the pictures of the pack really quick. Where's the pack? Because it came out like 2013. There was a pack, and I wanted all of them in the pack. I just couldn't get the damn pack. Here's the 3. Look at the shape of that 3. There's the 4, and there's the 5. And the 3 was also $175 back then. But I definitely wanted that entire pack. You just couldn't find it anywhere. Then it was like $600 for each shoe after that. So, and this just shows you that the times have definitely changed. Like, back in 2013, it was a totally different shoe culture. And I also believe that Jordan Brand had more of a chokehold on people's mind with these shoes. And I think everybody now kind of understands, like, you know what? It's just not worth it to spend like $400, $500, $600 and beyond on sneakers, like any sneakers. And I also think it's a combination of like people really starting to wear other brands other than Nike and Jordan. But look at this. Look at the quality, guys. Like, look at the upper on this. It's amazing. That's beautiful. Look, I put tiger stripes on this shoe. Like, I shouldn't be able to do that. As a matter of fact, yes, I should. But the Fear Pack, I guess it has something to do with Halloween. I don't know. It's kind of Halloween themed. But the materials on these are just so good. I couldn't help it. I was like, yes, thank you. So shout out to VJ for getting these to your boy. They got something else coming for me pretty soon. But these are amazing. Shout out to them. And it was kind of interesting. Today I did like a home video. Like, I didn't leave the couch to make this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me on IG. I know this was a short one, but, you know, we got to keep it pushing. It's the holidays. Peace, love, and light. And I'm out, guys. 1.